Welcome, everyone. Let's talk about amulets and talismans. Now, one of the best ways of making something that is effective for you personally is to make it yourself. Of course, there are complicated procedures and very advanced next level technologies that, of course, the Success Tech offers, which are so far advanced than the average tool out there that it is mind-boggling. But anything that you craft yourself, you put your own personal energy to, you're going to connect to stronger. One of the excellent guides out there to make your own amulets and talismans, subtitled Simple Techniques for Creating Meaningful Jewelry by Robert Dancik. Now, this is a great book. It's in full color. One illustration or one color photograph after another that shows you how to craft simple but powerful items. And of course, if you have things of meaning that you have collected over the years and other things, it's, as I've said, it always generally tends to benefit you. You have a lucky charm, a lucky this, a lucky that, all the things that come with that, and what do you do with it? Now, we always marvel, a lot of people do, at artistic people. You go to swap meets or craft shows and you see what people have made, and it's how they can take something which is very common and make it very beautiful. Well, you know, a lot of this doesn't take as much skill as you think. With a few simple tools and some good guided instructions, you can make something yourself. And this book certainly does that. I mean, I can't emphasize more how beautifully done it is, and every page is a full color picture, and it takes you step by step through the entire process of making many different types of amulets and talismans from common items around you. So I couldn't recommend this book more. It's something that everyone who's interested in making something should obtain. You'll find a lot of tips in here that you never thought of, even if you're an experienced craft person. There's always interesting tips, interesting ways of doing things that even if you know or have been involved in the practices of making things, that this book will help you with. So if you want to make something yourself, in addition to getting a professionally made, highly empowered MechTech amulet, the materialization energy cell technology that we offer, well, this certainly is something that you can add to your empowerment with and make something that maybe you have a special stone, a crystal you've carried, or some other item that connects you to a powerful relative, or something you collected from a sacred area. Well, here's a great way to find out simple little tips of using that highly empowered, personally highly empowered and connected to item. Again, the book is named Amulets and Talismans by Robert Dancik. Simple Techniques for Crafting Meaningful Jewelry.